Enjoy creating your own freshly pressed juice with the Clarke FP6B heavy-duty fruit press. The natural and effortless way to press up to 6 litres of fruit in one go. The ideal fruit press whether you want to make wine or cider, or just enjoy a wholesome fresh fruit juice. It is designed for quick assembly and easy use. It is a simple but effective device and is very robust and easy to use. Simply load your fruit into the mashing bag, turn the handle, and start pressing with the large wooden pressing blocks. The juice then collects in the base and runs out of the handy lip. The efficient design will give you the maximum juice yield from your fruit. Easy to clean and maintenance-free, the FP6B comprises a strong hardwood pressing basket, bounded by coated steel hoops and a steel base plate with a lip for easy juice collection. The wide, low stance gives improved stability, and the feet have mounting holes pre-drilled to allow it to be screwed down to a work table. Also available is the Clarke FP12 fruit press. With its heavy-duty construction, it is the bigger version of the Clarke FP6B and has a generous 12-litre pressing volume. Enjoy making your own juice for cider, wine and fruit juice with the Clarke FPB6 fruit press for many years to come.